Wimp Out, Unpacking the Phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, wimp out. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also know how to use it in a sentence. Let's get started. Wimp out is an informal phrase in English. When someone says that someone else wimped out, it means that the person gave up easily, showed weakness, or avoided a challenging situation out of fear or lack of confidence. The term wimp refers to a person who is not strong, brave, or confident. For example, I wanted to go bungee jumping, but I wimped out at the last minute. Don't wimp out now, we're almost at the finish line. The term wimp originated in the early 20th century, often used as slang to describe someone perceived as weak or lacking courage. The addition of out in the phrase wimp out suggests the act of backing out or retreating from a situation. It emphasizes the action of giving up or not following through with something. 1. In reference to physical activities. 2. I wanted to join the marathon, but I wimped out because I didn't train enough. 3. In reference to emotional situations. 4. She wanted to confess her feelings, but she wimped out and decided to stay silent. 5. When talking about challenging decisions. 6. I know it's a tough decision, but don't wimp out. You have to choose what's best for you. So, the next time you hear someone use the phrase, wimp out, you'll know exactly what they mean. It's a fun and informal way to describe someone backing away from a challenging situation. We hope this video helped clarify its usage and meaning for you. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the vast world of English phrases.